Hi guys, this is Sarah with Sundog Serpents again. We are going to be doing an unboxing today of some stuff we got from American Made Exotics. Super excited about these girls. And I also wanted to give a shout out to Matt from American Made. He's a great guy. We had a little bit of a mix up with our order. Not only did he make it right, but he made it like extra right. Thank you so much, Matt. And also his website is amazing. So if you haven't seen it, it's what we aspire to do in the future. So let me open these girls up. All right, business card, sticker, and information about the snakes. All right, let's do the big girl first. So this girl is a 2017 Killer Bee Double Het G-Stripe Clown. So we've been buying some stuff to get into the G-Stripe Clown project, and we've been kind of growing it up, but this girl is a 2017. She's proven. He told me that he's given her, or she's given him a lot of good clutches with genetic stripe clowns, so this will kind of give us a jump start on what we've been working on. She's really, really pretty. This is her. All right, genetic stripe, or Het genetic stripe, Het clown, Killer Bee female, 2017. She's really got some gorgeous eyes too. She's very excited to be here, I can see. All right. She's a spunky one. All right, let's get her back in her bag. Alright, this is the next girl. So originally we were going to get a different Het Puzzle girl, but she was not available. So we ended up getting this one instead. She is a bamboo black pastel, possible pastel, Het Puzzle Paradox. She's actually really beautiful. I'm excited to have her. She is a 2023 baby, so she's got some growing up to do still. But I saw pictures of her and she's just absolutely gorgeous. So again, bamboo, black pastel, possible pastel, 100% Het Puzzle, and she's a paradox. She's got some little paradox spots there, here, on this side. Look at that tail. Nice. She's a pretty little girl. So definitely excited to get her grown up. We decided to go ahead and get into the puzzle project just a little bit. So she's a good start. Got beautiful blue eyes. Pretty girl. All right, guys. That's all from us. Again, I can't say enough about American Made Exotics. Matt was such a great guy when it came to this transaction. And again, his website, like any snake that you buy from him, he has a clutches section where you can go through and you can see everything about the snake that you buy. It's got the dam, the sire, the clutch information. It shows all the babies. It's got all the information, and that's something you just don't see right now. And I really like the fact that I can go back and I can see the genetics of all the snakes I get from him and know exactly what was in there. So there's no questions about, you know, what could or could not be. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, hit us up. Have a great day. Bye.